Buono. Buono. Hi all, welcome to Cucina with Daniela from The Golden Taste. Today I'm gonna propose something for our Christmas holiday are coming. This time we're gonna make a caprese that is one of the Napolitan traditional cake. It's coming from a family recipe. So the ingredients are 5 eggs, 250 grams of pure grounded chocolate, 250 grams of pure grated almond, 250 grams of butter, 1 pinch of salt, some rum I use with a little bit orange zest inside, 20 grams of cacao powder, pure, 250 grams of sugar, 250 grams of flour, some baking powder. For decoration I use a little bit of sugar powder and pure almond. Let's see together. Andiamo, put some passion, facciamo la caprese. So add the sugar and the butter and you mix it. After that we're gonna add the eggs, the flour, the pinch of salt and the cacao. Once it's melted, I'm gonna add the baking powder, turn it a little bit. I add my almond, my chocolate and my alcohol. If you don't want, you don't do it. And now you need to mix it again. So now that it's ready, we're gonna put inside a tray around 26 centimeter diameter, and then you need to be in the oven for 50 minutes, so 50 for 160 degrees. Of course, all the ingredients and the recipe you will find below this video. Just this bit. So cake is ready. Go in the oven 50 minutes. So now it's perfect, and we let cool it down a little bit before the decoration. Our caprese cake is made. Now we're gonna put some decoration and then we can try. You can do whatever you like, it's up to you. How do you like to decorate the cake? So I will put some almond, or you can write something, or you can just decorate it like I do. That is a simple idea, but you can do whatever you like. This is a fast way decoration. Ecco. So it's not, you need to be really soft. The first slice is always the difficult one. So, our deliziosa caprese is done. Please follow my channel, sharing and caring with your friends. Below all the details of your recipe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, TikTok, and follow me. And have a good day. Ciao! Ottima, deliziosa.